Hi, in this video, I will demonstrate an expiring cache, maintenance of recently visited sites, and uploading a picture and retrieving it in the form of a queue where the data is being stored in Redis. I'm using a Node.js Express application for this. In addition, I will show you the way I am building the servers and creating proxies to deliver requests. To start with, let's have a look at the code. I have two Express objects here, app and router. App is the application server which does all the data storing and retrieving from Redis, and the router is the proxy server. It also is used to spawn and destroy the servers. First, the app. We have the app.use to store the request path, which is used to retrieve the recently visited sites. And then we have set. It is used to set a key value pair in Redis. And then get is used to retrieve a key value pair from Redis. And recent is used to list the recently visited sites. Then we have upload. It is a post HTTP call to upload an image into a queue. And then meow, it is a get call to retrieve an image from the queue. Then we have the router definition here. The router is used to redirect a request to the application servers, but whenever the request is spawn, destroy, or list servers, the router acts on it. In case of spawn, we are creating a new application server in a new port, and this is being stored in a list in Redis. In case of destroy, we are terminating a application server and also removing it from the Redis list. And the list server lists all the active application servers. Now let's demo the application. So we can see that the application is now running at port 3000. Now if we spawn, we can see that a new application server is now up at 3001. We can spawn it multiple times to have multiple application servers. Now if we do any random call here, we can see that the requests are being sent to application servers uniformly. Now let's destroy a application server. The server at port 3002 is now shut down. If we call it again, the 3001 server has shut down. If we list the servers now, you can see that we now have just 3 active application servers. So this demos the spawning, destroying, and listing of the servers. Now let's move on to the application server, where we do all the data storing and retrieval from Redis. First we have get. Get is used to find the value for key, but since this key is now not stored in Redis, we are getting an error. So if we set this value, we can see that the key 101 is set with a value. Since this is an expiring cache, if we now call get again, we can see that the value expires. Moving on to the recent, this is used to list all the recently visited sites in the application server. If we call it again, we can see that the list gets updated. Now let's move to upload. Since upload is a post call, we will do a curl to upload images. First we are uploading a morning.jpg image and then Harry Potter. Since this is a first come last out uh, it acts as a stack, so we get the most recently uploaded image. So if we call meow, first we get the Harry Potter image, and then again if we call meow, we get the morning image, and again if we call it, since the queue is empty now, we get an error. So this demos the application.